Hey, welcome back to my channel. Every trader wondered how to spot trends before they fully form. In this video, I'll describe the Alligator indicator. Shout out to my people from Florida. A powerful tool that helps traders catch big moves while avoiding market noises. I'll show you how it works and how you can use it to sharpen your trading strategy. Ready? Let's dive in. Okay, first things first, let's break it down and see how this works. Today I'm gonna show you the Alligator indicator, what it's and how to use it. So first we'll open up our trading platform, Pocket Auction, where we'll always use. You guys already know this. A lot of you have probably checked out different indicators before. And now I will show you a simple way not to get lost in all of them. You see, it's a lot of auctions. Now we'll be trading on 1 minute or 2 minute time frame, but we'll get to the deal later. Now let me explain how the indicators work. First, let's go to the indicators section. You'll see. We will choose the Alligator. Now I'm sticking with this. Sometimes I use it in my trades, and today I'll show you how I do it. So let's select the Alligator indicator and see what it does. You'll notice it consists of 3 lines. One is based on 5 periods, the second on 8, and the third on 13 periods of price movement. Together, they kinda looks like a alligator mouth, if you can see. You might need a little imagination for that, but that's how the creators decided. The most important thing is that the indicators help us understand the trend better and track its movement more efficiently. We also will put some moving average line. It helps confirm the trend and make trading decision more confidently. And here we go for the settings. In Alligator we didn't change anything, but in styles you can pick whatever colors you like. Me, I'm fine with the basics, but for moving average, we change period to 100, and we will choose the different color because, yeah, like it's good to have another vision. Okay, at this point we're looking at 4 lines. There are 3 alligator lines and the yellow moving average line, which works as a standard trend indicator. Together, they give us a clear picture of what's happening in the market. And now I will show you how to use it practically. Let's go to find some good pairs for this. Okay, guys, now the most exciting part. We're going to dive into how to use the Alligator indicator in practice. And most importantly, how to make money with this. Let me quickly remind you that we have the Alligator. This is indicator enabled, which gives us 3 lines. And we also have the moving average. This is yellow line, what you see. And this is just we're using for extra confirmation to make the trend move reachable. Here we can clearly see a closed alligator mouth, how traders said. And the first thing it helps us with is choosing the right trading pair. We can see that there was also a closed mouth here. And that again closed mouth here, and right now the market is in a sideways movement. That's why the closed mouth of alligator mean. Yeah, but over here we see something really interesting. Well, look at this. We have a diving trend on the moving average and an open alligator mouth. Guys, I'm so confident in this strategy, so I'm going to show you a $1,000 trade right now. Just one trade, because let's be honest, Time is our most valuable resources, right? And speaking of time, I'm going to take this trade not for 1 minute, but for 2 minutes. And that's because based on this strategy, trade works better on 2 minutes, to be honest with you. And we can also see that we are in a clear uptrend here. And when trading with this strategy, it doesn't really matter which direction the trend is going. What matters is entering the trade with the trend. And now let's find the perfect entry point. We need to wait for the candle to touch the green line. That's our key entry signal. And here we open the trade. The candle's supposed to touch the green line. And it doesn't matter which the destination train going. In just 2 minutes, guys, the strategy worked. Alligator gave us $920 profit in just 2 minutes. Okay, guys, thank you for watching me. Follow my channel. Don't forget about my Telegram channel, The Real Trades there. Also, wish you all the good trades, good profits, good health, and may the force be with you. Trend is your friend. Peace.